Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Python on Windows 11 quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to the official Python website at python.org. Once you're on the site, click on the Download section. The system will automatically suggest the latest version for Windows, which is Python 3.1.3.1. Below that, you'll see a list of previous stable releases. Since I'm using Windows ARM 64-bit, I'll select the ARM version. Once the installer file has been downloaded, open the .exe file. When the installation window appears, make sure to check the Add Python to Path box. This is an important step that allows you to run Python commands from anywhere in the command prompt. The option Use admin privileges when installing PyExt means Python will use administrator rights to install the PyExe launcher at the system level. If you enable this, Python can be accessed by all user accounts on your computer. If you leave it unchecked, Python will be installed only for your current user. For most users, it's fine to leave this option unchecked unless you need Python to be available system-wide. Then click Install Now to begin the installation. When the installation is complete, you will see a message saying, Setup was successful. Click Close to exit the setup window. Now to verify that Python has been installed successfully, open Command Prompt by pressing Windows S, typing CMD, and hitting Enter. In the Command Prompt window, type Python version and press Enter. If Python displays the installed version, it means the installation was successful. If you want to check whether pip, the package manager for Python, is installed, you can type pip version. Pip is a tool that helps you install and manage Python libraries. If the command returns a version number, it means pip has been installed along with Python. That's it! Now you have Python running on Windows 11 and can start coding or installing necessary libraries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.